Build large or small product assemblies quickly and easily with BricsCAD. Design bottom-up using your custom components and our extensive catalogue of standard parts, or top-down in the context of the assembly or even a built environment. Intelligent part placement tools allow you to add components safe in the knowledge that they're the correct size and position in the assembly. Bills of material are created automatically and can be configured just the way you want them, providing the right information in the right context to your downstream stakeholders. 2D drawings are quickly generated and detailed, providing accurate, timely documentation to your production department and supply chain. And, using the intelligent relationships between components, it's simple to create exploded views or analyze mechanisms in real time, ensuring you can be confident about the validity and accuracy of your assembled products, helping you to deliver a high-quality product.